Hello, Igor Young Minds! So ngayon ay nasa week 1 pa rin tayo ng ating second quarter, kung saan ito yung ating second lesson. Decimal numbers through 10 thousands. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, review muna tayo about a place value of decimals. Okay, so dito sa table na ito, makikita natin ang place value ng ating decimals. Makikita ninyo, ito ang decimal point nandito. Okay? At ang unang decimal number na nasa kanan ng ating decimal point ay ang tenths place. Okay? Ang pangalawang decimal number na nasa kanan ng ating decimal point ay ang hundreds place. Ang pangatlong decimal number na nasa kanan ng ating decimal point ay ang thousands place at ang pang-apat na decimal number sa kanan ng ating decimal point ay ang 10,000s place, and so on and so forth. So, ulitin ko, decimal points, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay. At syempre, ang nasa kaliwa ng ating decimal point ay ang ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Okay. Focus tayo dito. Okay. Next one. Take note. Decimals are just another way of writing fractions whose denominators are powers of 10. Okay. Decimals daw is just another way of writing fractions. Isa lang siyang paraan ng pagsusulat ng fraction kung saan ang denominators ay powers of 10. Ano yung powers of 10? 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on. Okay. The proper way to read them is the same as reading the corresponding fractions it represents. Let us elaborate. Okay. I have here the decimal 2/10. Okay? Itong decimal number na to, na 2/10, kapag sinulat ko to as fraction, isusulat ko lang ang number, decimal number, that is 2. Ayan, sa taas, yan ang aking numerator. Titingnan ko kung ano ang place value ng 2. So, ang place value ng 2 ay nasa tenths place siya. Kung kaya naman, ang denominator ay 10. Kasi ang place value ng 2 ay nasa tenths place. Kung kaya, itong fraction na to, pag binasa mo yan, this is just 2/10. Or, ito na siya. Kapag binasa mo, that is read as 2/10. Okay? So, ang basa ng decimal number na to ay 2/10. Ang basa ng fraction na to ay 2/10. Ito na siya. 2/10. Okay? Okay. Let us elaborate. Another one. I have here 1300s. Bakit siya 1300s? Tens place, hundreds place. Binasa ko lang yung number na 13, yung decimal number na 13, tapos dinagdag ko ang place value ng number, ng decimal number na nasa pinakakanan. So, itong 3 na to. Since ang 3 ay nasa hundreds place, kaya ang basa dyan sa decimal number na yan ay 1300s. Okay. Kung kaya naman, kapag sinulat ko siya as fraction, isusulat ko yung number na 13 as my numerator. And then, since ang place value ng 13, ng 3, ay nasa hundreds place, ang denominator niya ay 100. Kung kaya, in fraction, 13 hundreds is just 13 and 100 or 13 hundreds. Okay? Yan. 13 over 100. So, ang pagbabasa niyan, so, you're going to read this as 13 hundreds at ito naman, pwede mo siyang basahin as 13 hundreds din. Okay? So, ganun lang. Isulat ang decimal number as numerator. Tingnan ko anong place value ng nasa right side. Yun ang magiging denominator. Okay. Meron pa isa. Ito naman. 325,000s. Okay. Bakit 325,000 ang basa dyan? Tens, hundreds, thousands. Ang 5 ay nasa thousands place. Kaya pag binasa ko siya, that is just 325,000s. Kaya naman, kapag sinulat ko to as fraction, isusulat ko yung 325 as my numerator. And since ang 5, ang number na nasa rightmost place ay nasa thousands place, ang denominator niya ay 1,000. Kaya naman, kapag binasa ko to, this is just read as 325 thousands. Kita niyo? 325 thousands. Okay? 13 hundreds, 2 tenths. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Okay. Meron pang isa. 1,458. Hanapin ang place value ng 8. That is 10. Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Kaya kapag binasa mo to, this is just 1,458 10,000s. Okay? Kasi ang place value ng 8 ay nasa 10,000s place. At syempre, kapag sinulat ko siya as fraction, I will just copy the decimal number. Yan, as my numerator. Kaya ang nasa numerator natin ay 1,458. Kinopya lang natin. Kaya wala kasing whole number. And then, of course, hanapin ko anong place value ng 8. Sabi natin kanina, nasa 10,000s place siya. Kung kaya naman, ang ating denominator ay 10,000s. Kaya, kapag binasa mo yan, yung decimal number na yan, itong fraction na to, pwede mo siyang basahin as 1,458 10,000s. 1,458 10,000s. Okay? So, ganun lang. Okay, next. Learning task 1. Proceed tayo. Write the decimal form of each item below. So, meron dito nakasulat, 342 10,000s. Okay, ang isusulat natin dito, kung ano ba ang decimal form ng word na to, ng words na to. 342 10,000s. Okay? So, that is just 342. Dapat ang 2 ay nasa 10,000s place. So, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Kaya yan, ang pagbabasa niyan, 342 10,000s. Okay? Yan. Dapat ang 2 nasa 10,000s place ha. So, mali kapag sinulat mo siya ng 0 and then 3, 4, 2. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ganyan kasi pag binasa mo to, this is just 342 thousands lang siya kasi ang 2 nasa thousands place lang. So, kaya dapat ang 2 ilagay natin sa 10,000s place. Okay, number 2. 5 and 38,000. So, ito, interesting to kasi mayroong and. Okay. Ang and, take note, represents the decimal point. Okay? So, and represents the decimal point. So, ibig sabihin, pag merong 5 and, itong 5 na to, whole number yan. Tapos, decimal point and then 38,000s. Okay? Again, 5 whole number and decimal point. So, ganyan pagsusulat yan. 5, decimal point, and then 38,000s. Okay? Kaya naman, in decimal form, ang sentence na yan is 5 and 38,000s. Bakit naman may 0 na naman dito? Kasi dapat ang 8 natin ay nasa thousands place. This is tenths, hundreds, thousands. Kaya yan ay 5 and 38,000s. Mali pa rin kapag sinulat mo yan as 5 and 38. Kasi ang kalalabasan yan, kapag binasa mo yan, this is just 5 and 38 hundreds lang yan. Kasi ang 8 ay nasa hundreds place lang. Okay, another one. 76 and 2 tenths. Okay, take note, meron pa ring and. Okay, kaya yan, and represents the decimal point. So, itong 76. Okay, so yan, 76 and 2 tenths. Okay, kung kaya naman, in decimal form, ang 76 and 2 tenths is just 76 and 2 tenths. Ang 2 dapat nasa tenths place. Okay. Another one. 127,000. Meron pa ring word na n. And represents the decimal point. So, in decimal form, yan ay magiging 127,000. Okay? Mali pa rin kapag ang decimal mo ay 27 lang. Because this is just 27 hundreds. Kasi ang 7 nasa hundreds place. So, dapat ang 7 nasa thousands place siya. Okay. Now, learning task 2. Write the given numbers in words. Okay, baliktad naman tayo. Kung kanina, words muna, bago numbers. Ngayon naman, numbers and then words. Okay. So, tingnan nyo lang. In writing decimal numbers into words, basahin nyo lang to ng tama. Okay? And then, translate it into words. So, dito, tulad nito. 32 to the number 32, yun ang unang isusulat mo. Tapos decimal point. Anong isusulat sa decimal point? That is and. Okay? And then, sulat mo tong number na to, 61. Okay, again ha, 32 and 61. Tapos i-add mo kung anong place value ng 1. So since ang place value ng 1 ay nasa thousands place, kaya naman kapag sinulat mo yan, that is 32 and 61 thousandths. Okay? So ganun lang. 32 and the decimal point, 61 and then thousandths place siya. Okay, another one. 10. Okay, ito naman. 10 decimal point and 8,209. Okay? 10 and 8,209. Tapos idagdag mo kung anong place value ng 9. Since ang 9 ay nasa 10,000s place, this is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Kung kaya naman, in words, isulat mo yan as 10 and 8,209 10,000s. Okay? So, ganun lang. Learning task 3. Write the given fractions in decimals naman. O ito naman, baliktad tayo kanina. Kanina, decimals in fractions. Ngayon naman, fractions in decimal. Okay. So ito, turuan ko lang kayo ng trick dito. Madali lang to eh. Okay. In writing fractions to decimals, especially kapag ang denominator ay powers of 10. Ito lang. Bilangin nyo lang kung ilan yung 0. Kasi usually division lang yan eh. That is just 123 divided by 100. Okay, i-divide mo lang yan. Pero since the denominator is powers of 10, i-move mo lang. Bilangin mo ang number ng 0, dalawa. Okay? 100, dalawang 0 lang yan. I-move mo ang decimal point ng dalawang beses pakaliwa. Isa, dalawa. Okay? Nandito ang decimal point. Kaya naman, in decimal, that 123 over 100 is just 1 and 23 hundredths. Okay? Ganun lang siya. Okay. Ito naman, number 2. Okay. 3 over 10. Okay. Ilang 0? Isa. Move ang decimal point pakaliwa ng isang beses. Okay. Since nasa left na ang decimal point, dagdag ka na ng 0. Kung kaya naman, in decimal, that is 3 tenths. Okay? Ganun lang. Bilangin ang number ng 0, move to the left. Okay? So, ganun lang. Yun lang ang trick dyan. Kasi, di-divide mo pa yan eh. Okay, another one. Okay, ito na. When reading the decimal numbers, una, basahin or read the numbers as it is. Okay? Basahin lang siya na parang normal na number lang. Use and to represent the decimal point. Continue reading the number as it is, but end with the last place value. Katulad ng ginawa natin kanina, basahin sa last place value ng decimal point. If there are no whole numbers in front of the decimal value, you do not use the word and. So kapag walang whole number, huwag nang gamitin ang and. Halimbawa ito, 0, tapos ganyan lang. Okay, hindi mo na kailangan gamitin ang and. 0 and 3 tenths, hindi na. Diretso ka na, 3 tenths lang. Rather, you read the number as it is and end with the last number of the last place value of the number. Okay. Sample, this is 32 and 32 kasi may whole number siya. And basahin 61, ang place value ng 1 ay thousands place, so this is 32 and 61 thousandths. Okay, another one. Ito naman. So, walang whole number. Hindi mo na babasahin ng and, diretso na tayo sa 61. So, ang pagbabasa nito, this is just 61 thousandths. Okay? So, ganun lang. Learning task 4. Read and answer the given problem. The distance between the playground and your house is 1 and 80,000 kilometers. Write the distance in its decimal form. So, isusulat mo lang 1. Okay? And decimal point. Okay. 80,000 kilometer. So, isusulat mo ngayon dito sa decimal number ang 80,000. Okay? Kung kaya naman, in decimal form, that is just 1 and 80. So, dapat itong 80 na to, itong 0 na to, nasa thousands place siya. So, this is 1 and 80 thousandths. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Okay? So, salamat po muli sa inyo. Sana may natutunan kayo ngayong araw na ito and don't forget to subscribe.